we're going through some of our Christmas presents, which were Legos. So we're here at our Lego table.
We're doing these two first.
Yeah, Emmy decided she wanted Legos Elves for Christmas. And then we also got the Moana set, which we've already built.
And it spins.
And it has Tahiti.
And it got that.
And what's the other side? Taka.
Yeah, kata.
And then we have the little coconut men.
And what?
And Moana's boat. With Maui. We already built that one.
And hey. I know. We just opened this box.
Right, and what came in, we have the instructions.
And stickery.
And what else?
Wings.
Wings for...
And a head.
And this is bag number 1.
Bag number 2.
Alrighty.
3.
It's just 2 bags. Alright, you ready?
Yay!
Let's get started. Oh, Anna is MIA because what was she doing?
Look, her hair.
Where's Anna?
In bed.
Why?
Because she got in trouble.
What was she doing?
Sleepy.
What was she acting like?
A brat.
Bratty Betty. Bratty. Okay, let's keep going.
I feel
Okay.
the girl.
Oh, you already got her done?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job. Now this playset does say 7 to 12. Emmy is 4. But we've been building Legos since Emmy was like, I think you're like 1.5, almost 2. So she's pretty good with Legos. Alright, Emmy, you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Alright, let's get started. Slight light adjustment, that's what it was. Okay, alright, so we are on step number 4. Emmy got our 2 4 pieces and this little upside down thingy, something like that. I don't know what that is. Okay, Emmy. Like this. Alright, there we go.
1 point for me.
1 point for you. Legos usually take a long time to build in our house because
I love you.
we have a smaller age.
What?
Move it where? You're in the front of the camera.
Oh, you know what? We weren't recording any of that. Ah, the camera! We weren't recording any of that, Amy. Yeah. We're still beginners. We're still learning the art of filming. Okay, well. Oh, hold on. I found something in the woods. My boat.
before the volcano comes.
There's no candle. That's God, I think.
Oh gosh, run! The dragon will protect us.
See? It's Rafiki.
Oh, we thought it was a mean Rafiki.
It was just this and this.
Mean Rafiki!
It's not me, Rafiki. It just turned.
I want to put that on.
Go ahead.
Where does it go?
That part goes there.
I
look,
can't
look,
do
look,
it.
This way. It's a leg.
this?
So the leg goes like that.
Yeah.
Look. Oops. There you go. Alright.
This is tail or what is
So
it?
now we have...
I found a gem.
Cool. Hey, what's that egg over there? Bring it over here.
No, it's my pet in there. Pet.
Oh, he looks so cute.
Yep, and it's time it's dead for me.
He has to get his wings first because then he'll get his power. That's the only way.
Two of us, and there's two of them.
Wait, actually, there's three of us because my dragon. No, this is my dragon, you mean?
Okay.
No,
So you
my
see
little dragon.
this black pig? Look. So it's almost like he's breathing ice. It's pretty cool.
No, he's done. He'll go frozen.
Okay. So now we have the entire dragon built.
Yeah, you poopy fighter.
What? What is a poo-poo fighter?
She's unmissable.
What's a poo-poo fighter?
A poo-poo fighter is where people poop on the toilet and like you poop on people after you poop on the toilet.
Okay.
So poo-poo fighter.